Hello guys, welcome to Soccer Robot, and today we are going to do another review. This time it's going to be a snack review. Different, we're going to do something different now in this channel. We're going to do our very first snack review. And today, well, let me tell you the story first. We went to Mexico a couple of days back, you guys know, to film that video of the shoes, of the indoor soccer shoes, the Adidas, which are stupendous shoes. You guys saw in the video. They were amazing shoes, very good control with those shoes. They were good. And on my way, the reason why we went over there was because there was an indoor soccer facility, like a little playground, so we decided to go. But now we are going to review this, a snack review. And I brought myself back from Mexico the new Act 2 air popcorn by Act 2. I was really surprised at this, that they have them over there in Mexico. I was like, wait, isn't Act 2 supposed to be like only of the United States? But no, I was very confused by this. But here they are, Act 2, and from Mexico. As you can see, it says Nuevas, which means Nuevas right here. They have sabor caramelo, chile limón, sabor Inferno, ultra picante, sabor queso, y sabor mantequilla. You guys might be surprised. You're like, okay, why is he talking Spanish? Well, I'm Mexican. I talk Spanish as well. I'm not half and half. My parents are 100% Mexican, but it's just that I look white, or that's what they tell me all the time, that I look white and stuff like that. Pero las palomitas, they're good anywhere. They're good in Mexico, United States. We all love popcorn to watch a good movie, and these are the air popcorn by Act 2 from Mexico. I'm gonna try one out, which is gonna be the mantequilla. I'm gonna try the mantequilla first, and to accompany, I have the Arizona Herbal Tonic energy drink, which I like to drink occasionally because it has, I don't know, it tastes like, I just like the taste of it. And to tell you the truth, it's probably the best drink that I've ever drank by Arizona. So that's the reason why I'm using this. So let me open this up, refresh a little bit. There you go. And we're gonna dig in the mantequilla first. As you can see right here. See the packaging? Okay. Now let's open them up. And let's get a taste of these babies. Kind of good. You want some? Cameraman doesn't want some. My cameraman is Charlie, who's my brother. He's the one that always helps me to make these videos. But he doesn't want popcorn, I don't know why. I'll save some for you, Charlie. Don't worry. There you go. It says mantequilla, or butter, but the truth is, I hardly taste any butter. I don't, no, en estos palomitas no saboreo tanta mantequilla. Pero déjame dar unas chances, a lo mejor la mantequilla está abajo y se va para abajo. Maybe the butter goes down. Let me give it a try. But I hardly taste any butter on these. You can see, look at them. Okay. You could get a little bit taste of the butter, very little. It's very subtle. I mean, it's there. The taste is there, but it's very subtle. I thought they were gonna be more buttery, but it's okay. They're just buttery. It's just a little bit of butter. Now, so those I would probably give them, because they don't have butter as much as it says on the packaging. I'm gonna give them on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give them. I'm gonna have to give them a 6. I mean, if you sell a product, with the specification saying butter flavored, I expect to taste butter. You know, si compras un producto que diga mantequilla o cualquier sabor, tiene que saber a ese producto. ¿Me entiendes? Si dice mantequilla, tiene que saber a mantequilla. Y en estas palomitas solo un poquitito de mantequilla es lo que saboreé. So, por eso le voy a dar un 6. Le voy a dar un 6. Y ahora siguen Nuevas Act 2 sabor queso. Este es el paquete, como lo ven. Vamos a abrirlas para ustedes. Miren cómo se mira. Ok, vamos a tomarle. Se miran bien anaranjadas. Mira cómo se mira en la imagen. Pero vamos a probarlas. El sabor está ahí. Definitivamente está ahí. The flavor's there. El sabor está más que las de mantequilla. There's more flavor on these than on the butter flavored, which is good. It means improvement. Ok, déjame decir sobre estas palomitas. Una más. One more. Ok. El sabor del queso está ahí. Se siente como un queso tipo, como los chetos, más o menos. Se siente como los chetos, pero reducido un poquito. También el sabor, no más en cuántas palomitas lo vas a hacer, lo vas a saborear. No en todas las palomitas, es lo que noté en esta. The taste is there. It's a little bit of taste on some and more on others. But the taste is definitely improved from the butter flavor. There's more on each one. That's the improvement. But what I had a little bit of hard time was that you need to find the ones that are covered with cheese. That's the thing. But they are good. They're improved from the other popcorn, from the butter flavored. These are cheese flavored, and they taste a little bit like cheese Cheetos. Just a little bit of downgrade. But it is good. It's a good flavor. But you gotta really dig in and find the actual cheese flavored ones, as you can see right there. Okay, so those, I've decided that I'm gonna rate them. Let me go with a 6.5. Just because not all of them have a lot of flavor, and I'm sorry that I gave it a 6.5, but that's just how I feel about the popcorn. They didn't delight me. They didn't. I don't know. It just didn't feel as. It was a little bit of improvement from the last one, but I think that they're not as good as other popcorn that I've tasted. But they are good, so I'm gonna give them a 6.5. It's not a good grade. You guys tell me in the comments if maybe I misjudged it a little bit. But yeah, lo que digo es que le voy a dar un 6.5 a estas palomitas de queso. La razón es porque en algunas no los puedes hacer taste, no los puedes saborear. Pero el sabor queso está ahí y por eso le voy a dar un 6.5, que es un poquito mejor que la mantequilla, pero pues es lo que le quiero dar y es lo que siento. He saboreado mejores palomitas, por eso le voy a dar un 6.5. Ahora, estas bebés. Sabor Inferno ultra picante. Por eso las puse así en orden. Porque eso es lo que yo creo que van a saber. ¿Entiendes? Dije, ok, creo que esta va a ser la mejor y esta. Por eso las puse en orden. I put them in order like that because I thought maybe this would be how I would like them, or I would grade them. But maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this one won't be as good as this one, or this one will be better than this one. I don't know. But let me open it up for you. These are the Inferno, as you can see right there. You already saw the color, and you can see right off the bat. Look at that. They're covered. These are covered. As to flavor, give me 1 second. If I get this, that means something. Si agarro mi bebida significa algo. ¿Me entiendes? Ok. Están mejores. Un poquito mejor. Definitivamente mejor que esa. Como pueden ver, Act 2, sabor Infierno, ultra picante. Act 2, Inferno, ultra spicy flavor. These are good. Oh my god. That flavor right there is what I was looking for. Big improvement over the last two that we reviewed. No questions asked. This thing is good. Esta cosa está deliciosa. El sabor ultra picante está más rico, está más delicioso. Se siente lo picante, como vieron las palomitas tan cubridas. Vieron el colorcito. You saw the color of these and they look better. They're good. They're good. You know what I mean? You taste that. They're not ultra spicy. No, it says there, but you feel it. I would say that they're better than the Flaming Hot. I say that. You guys ever bought those Flaming Hot ones? The Cheetos one that you buy? They're like Flaming Hot. I don't know, but I found these to be better. They almost taste like Takis. I don't know if these are associated with Takis. I don't know if it's actual flavor. Let me check. Maybe it has Takis flavor. I don't know if you guys ever tried Takis. Takis are really famous in Mexico. Los Takis. Le digo que estas saben casi a Takis. Y no sé si le robaron el sabor a Takis. Porque mira, hasta morado está. Y estaba viendo aquí en el paquete para que a lo mejor puede decir que son de Takis, ¿verdad? Takis les puede patrocinar. Pero no dice nada. Pero están deliciosas estas. Hasta quiero seguir comiendo, no saqué de ahí. Deliciosas. Maravilla. Now, the flavor is like Takis. They basically taste like Takis. I don't know if they're associated or maybe, you know, they stole the flavor from the Takis brand. I don't know. But they're good. They're freaking good. This is the type of snack that I would come from school, that I would come like a long day from school. I remember my childhood, I always wanted to have a good snack when I came from school. You know, the bus loaded me in my house and I'm like, I'm hungry, let me get a snack. What did I get? Takis. You know, this is what I would get. This is what I would get if I came from a long day of school, work, whatever. These are the ones I would dig in. Good for snack, and that's why I'm gonna give it a 9.5. I don't care. They're good. These are good. Definitely. Really good, and I want to keep eating from them. We'll have more to review. Now, from ultra spicy, which is a little bit, we're gonna move on to caramel. Nos vamos a mover a caramelo. De lo picante a algo dulce. Las de caramelo, sabor caramelo. Como las miras ahí. Sabor caramelo. Vamos a abrir, vamos a ver cómo se mira. Ahí las puedes ver. Las nuevas Act 2 sabor caramelo. New Act 2 caramel flavor air popcorn. Let's try them out. Let's see if they're real sweet or not. But we'll see what's up. My God. I'm telling you, bro, you need to try this. He doesn't want. He doesn't want. But it's okay. These are good. They're good. Fantastic. Look at them. Take a good look at them. Look at the texture. That's going to be big key in reviewing these. Va a ser una pieza clave. Miren la textura de las palomitas. Riquísimas. Delicious. Delicious. I'll tell you that. They're real good, guys. Okay. Those, I gotta say, you guys saw the texture of those. Each popcorn has the perfect amount of caramel. I'm not talking about too much, I'm not talking about too little. Just right in the middle. Perfection how it should be. Le estoy diciendo, las palomitas no tan sobre empapadas de caramelo. Y tampoco tienen poquito. Tienen nomás lo exacto que se necesita para hacer estas palomitas perfectas. ¿Entiendes? No tiene mucho, no tiene poco, pero tiene el sabor perfecto. Está en medio. Deliciosas. Deliciosas. No sé si han comprado la otra brand que se llama, no sé si se llaman Crackle, no sé cómo se llama en México. Y esas las llenan de, las sobreempapan de caramelo que se pone duro. No, estas Déjenme enseñarle. Miren cómo se miran. No están sobreempapadas, miren. Tengo que enseñarles. No están sobreempapadas. Les echaron lo perfecto para hacerlas, para dejarlas en el medio. Tampoco están sobre, tampoco no tienen muchísima azúcar. They don't also have a lot of sugar. You know what I mean? The caramel doesn't taste very sweet. It's just right in the middle. It's that perfect hit. Like you're like, okay. If I would tell you that these are the best caramel I've ever tasted, I'm even gonna go as far as to saying that they're better than, what's that brand name? Cracker Boy. What's it called? The ones in the United States, though, with that little boy and the dog. I don't know the name of them. They're way better than those. I'm telling you right now, they're good. Yo, let me check it. I'm checking that peanuts, you know. No. They're delicious. I already offered my cameraman if he wants them. He doesn't want them. They're good. They're really good. Perfection. Not too sweet. Not too low in sweetness. They're right in the middle. Each popcorn has the most perfect has perfect amount of caramel. Here comes the verdict. These have to be the most perfect caramel popcorn I've ever tasted, to be honest with you. It's just in the middle, you know. Great for snacking, and great for movie time. I'd recommend it to anybody. I would choose these over the brand that we have in the USA anytime. Les digo que yo preferiría esta marca Act 2 de caramelo a las que tenemos en Estados Unidos. De las de caramelo. Están riquísimas. No mucho, no muy poquito, nomás en el medio. Por eso estas se van a merecer la gradación, el grado de 9. Le voy a dar un 9. I'm going to give it a 9. They're good. And the reason why I'm going to give them a 9 is because of my preference. I don't usually eat a lot of these. No, like it's not my. When I eat popcorn, I want to eat something regular, you know. But these are good. They're good in sweetness and everything. They're not my preferred type to go with, but I'm gonna give them a 9. They're good. They're even better than the ones in the United States. So that's why it deserves a 9. And yeah, they're good popcorn. Now, I don't know why I put these. I don't know why I put these for the last. The new Act 2 Chile Limón flavor. Nuevas Act 2 sabor chile y limón. Los puse para el último porque parece que van a estar súper riquísimas. Y chile y limón, ¿quién no le gusta chile y limón? Ahí está. Pero nomás. Ahí está. Chile y limón. Cualquier mexicano le encanta el chile y limón. Cualquier mexicano. Flaming hot, ¿cómo se dicen? Takis de chile y limón. A todos les gusta el chile y limón. Todo lo que tenga limón. Hasta nos gustan los hot Cheetos de chile y limón. Digo, con limón. ¿Me entiendes? Todo con limón es rico. ¿Me entiendes? I was telling them that anything with lime is good. That's why I left it to the very last, because I believe that they're going to be good. Let's open them. Take a good look at them. You can see it. Get that one more time. I just took one peek and they already look good. Okay. Nuevas Act 2 sabor chile y limón. Vamos a tratarlas. Camarógrafo no quiere nada. Camera, si quiere, da. Si quiere. Hey, he wants, finally. He knows they're good. Look at that. Until the very last, I made the cameraman get popcorn. Because he knows chili lime is good. It's good. Goes with anything. One more? Alright, I don't want more. Was it good? He said yeah. They're tan ricas. They're delicious. Mmm. They're good. They're not just good, they're just, I say it. Just get a few more. And I'll give you my verdict. Look at them. Oh, look at that. Mira eso, mira esto. Okay? Quiero que lo mires. I want you to see it. Okay? They're delicious. Are you ready? ¿Listos? Estas palomitas de chile y limón nunca las había probado aquí en Estados Unidos. Nunca las había visto en México hasta hoy. Bueno, hasta unos 4 días para atrás que decidí comprarlas y hacer un review para ustedes. Te puedo decir que estas palomitas son las más ricas. Son las más ricas de Chile de todo este review. Son mejor que el Ultra, la mantequilla y el queso. No incluye el sabor de caramelo, porque eso es dulce y el dulce se me hace que sería separado. These have to be the best out of all the review, for sure. These are very delicious. There's a combination of a little bit of zesty lemon, you know, the combination of the zesty lemon and the spiciness. It's not even spicy. It combines, it fuses into each of these popcorns, and also each one has a good amount. Maybe you'll find a little bit of ones that don't have a lot, but you want to find, you know, you are trying to dig in for one that has a remote. You know, you're trying to dig in, estás tratando de buscar la que tenga más, porque está delicioso el sabor. Te digo, chile limón es lo más rico que puede haber. Chili lime is the best you're ever gonna find anywhere. Chili lime, the hot Cheetos with lime are good. Everybody loves them. Takis with lime are good. Anything with lime, add lime. If you're Mexican, you know. Si eres mexicano, ya sabes. Si le echas limón a algo, va a saber rico. Si le echas limón a una chela, va a saber rico. Si le echas limón a la carne asada, sabe rico. Si le echas limón al menudo, sabe rico. Y si le echas limón ahora a las palomitas, bueno, no le echas limón, pero ya viene incluido el limón. If you put, I was giving the example, if you put lime in Mexican culture, not necessarily Mexican culture, but us Mexicans, we have the tendency of putting lime into mostly anything. Menudo, carne asada, I don't know if you guys know, familiar with that. Pozole, a beer, a good old beer, you know, to have in your backyard. You put lime. Lime will always make everything taste better. And salt and lime It's chili lime. Anything with lime is gonna give it that zest. And this right here is perfect example of that lime. This is the most perfect example of that lime. Anything you add lime to will give it that good zest that you need, and it's delicious. Very effective popcorn, and that's why I'm gonna give it a 9.5. It's a high grade. I wanted to give it a 10, but the only reason I wanted to give it a 10 is because these, not all of them have the equal amount. It's not perfect, but it is a freaking good snack. Now, I'm gonna go back in time, and I'm gonna say that, no, if I wanna come home, when I come home from school, cuando vengo del colegio para la casa, o del trabajo, quiero coger estas. I want to get these instead of the other ones because these are better. I mean, just look at that. Look at that. With lime. Good flavor. Totally recommend it. It's delicious. It's delicious. 9.5, 9.5 es lo que le voy a dar la puntuación. Muy buenas palomitas, se las recomiendo 100%. Todas las palomitas están buenas, nomás que la de mantequilla sí les advierto, están un pocas resecas, no tienen tanta, a lo mejor me tocó la mala a mí. Maybe I was saying that the butter don't taste that good, like you don't feel the butter. So out of all of them, probably the butter is the one that I want to warn you that it's a little bit less drenched than all the other ones. So yeah, las de mantequilla son las menos, sería esa, y luego serían las de queso, y luego serían las de caramelo, y luego serían las ultras, y luego serían estas siendo las mejores. These being the best. Butter, cheese, caramel, ultra, and these are the best. I was off by one, but they're good. They're delicious. Totally recommend the new Act 2. This one, I recommend that one. I recommend the caramel, the Inferno. Whoops. My bad, I ate a little bit of too much of those. The Inferno. Oops. The cheese. Hopefully it doesn't fall. And the butter. Guys, we just did a review right now. Amazing review. That's one of many more reviews to come. It's a snack review. I actually went far away. I went to Mexico. You can see it's not that far. It's right across the border, but it was a hassle, especially with all this COVID stuff. But I always try to keep my distance. As always, I always try to maintain the sound. You could see there in the where we did our last video, it was completely empty. There was no people. But I'm gonna thank the company Act 2 for making these popcorn. Some of them were good, some of them were not, but in the end, they're popcorn. That's what we eat. We eat that all the time to watch movies, watch Netflix shows, you know. And I'm gonna thank them. Huge support from them in making these. If not, I wouldn't have been able to launch my very first snack review. More to come. FIFA 21 is coming out. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna put some gameplay of that. More things to come. Soccer reviews. There's some new soccer shoes that are coming in from Nike. I promised you guys that. Those are coming in. Movie reviews. Out of nowhere, I'll release a movie review. But thank you very much for watching this video, our very first snack review. I'll be telling you next time. Comment down below. Tell me if you liked it. First snack review ever done. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me if you should do it this, like that. I'm learning. These are my very first few videos. But yeah, first snack review, I could say it's a success. I like making these. I had fun making this. And I'll see you next time. Subscribe, comment, like, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Soccer Robot.